Welcome to Animals Wow TV. Today we'll look at the top 10 best dog toys you can buy online. Stay until number 1 and how you can get several minutes of fun and teeth cleaning time for your dog. Number 10. Wickedbone. To all fur parents, we hear you. It's almost as hard to shop for our pets as it is for our loved humans. And with the coronavirus still in full swing, it's become even harder to keep overexcited puppies and dogs entertained at home. So here are 10 of the best toys you can buy from online stores like Amazon, Chewy, Barkshop, BarkBox, Petco, and PetSmart. Have your purchases delivered to your house and enjoy lots of hours playing with your pet. We'll start our list with Wickedbone. This product was originally a Kickstarter proposal that was fully funded in just one day, and we understand why people flock to throw money on this project. The Wickedbone claims to be the first smart and interactive dog toy. Basically, it's a smart robot created specifically for dogs. It rolls, jumps, spins, and does everything in its AI-controlled power to get your dog's attention and play with it. You can control it via Bluetooth or switch on the interactive mode so your dog can play even when you're doing something else. It's made from FDA-approved materials, so it's okay even if your dog catches it and slobbers all over it. One thing though, it's meant to keep your dog moving, and it's not meant to be a chew toy, so you still need to make sure that your dog doesn't eat it. Other than that, this modern toy is a chance to make sure that your dog gets the exercise she needs every day, indoors or outdoors. Number 9. Kong. No toy recommendation list would be complete without this iconic, stuffable toy. In 1976, a guy named Joe Markham created an unusually shaped chew toy out of a very durable rubber. It proved to be a hit among dogs and owners, and for more than 40 years, this USA-made dog toy has been making millions of dogs and owners happy all over the world. Kong. Why is it so popular? Well, dogs love to chew, and they love to play. Kong has merged these two activities in one hardy toy. Kong has been used for playtime, training, and entertainment. The irregular shape makes it roll and bounce attractively for a dog, but the best way to enjoy it is as a stuffed toy. Treats, kibble, and other food can be stuffed into the cavity of the toy. Owners can choose what to put in the toy. It can be peanut butter or carrot sticks. It can be kibble or treats. The idea is that your dog will try to get the treat by chewing his Kong. If you want to give your dog more of a challenge, put the toy in the freezer for a few hours. A frozen treat will mean more hours of chewing. Plus, the cool rubber is great for teething gums and for hot summer days. The rubbery material is strong enough even for the most ardent chewers with powerful jaws. What's even better is that Kong has evolved its lineup for different types of dogs. The red Kong is the classic. The black Kong Extreme is for powerful and aggressive chewers like Rottweilers or Labradors. The blue and pink are still for the delicate but sharp teeth of puppies. The violet is for seniors who have spent years of chewing and now need a slightly softer chewing outlet. Some may consider Kong a bit more expensive than other toys, but you pay for quality and durability above all else. Nothing less than the best for your pet, right? Number 8. Paw Zwig. Besides chewing balls, shoes, the couch, another activity that dogs love to do is fetching sticks. No stick is too big. Or too many. But sometimes, sticks cut or pierce our pet's gums. Enter the Paw Zwig. It's shaped like a stick. You can throw it like a stick, and your dog can fetch it like a stick. But it's made from durable rubber, so there's no danger of your pet getting hurt, even if he decides to turn it into a chew toy. It's light enough that you can throw it farther than normal wooden sticks. It even floats in water. Plus, when playtime is over, you can toss the Zwig in the dishwasher to clean off all of the dirt and slobber on this toy. In just a few minutes, it's ready for another round of fetch. Number 7. Zippy Paws Squeaky Plush Dog Toys. Just like human kids, dogs love stuffed toys too. Just look at Chris Evans' pet Dodger and his beloved stuffed lions. These stuffed toys can also offer some companionship and entertainment for our pets. But even if they intend it or not, the majority of dogs love to destroy the stuffed toys and pull out the stuffing and chew the squeaker inside. So, here's a good compromise. The Zippy Paws Squeaky Plush Dog Toys. What makes them great is that they're not stuffed, so your dog won't have to pull anything out. Actually, the quality is so good that even if there's stuffing inside, The toys are made from high quality and super strong seams that can't be ripped apart even by dogs who love to destroy their toys. Plus, there are 2 squeakers in each toy, so your dog is bound to go crazy with joy and excitement at the different sounds he hears. So, there's a chance that if you give Zippy Paws to your puppy, then it'll be a companion for the rest of his life. Number 6. Jolly Pets Push and Play. Even if they live in a city, some dogs just can't deny their herding DNA. Australian cattle dogs, border collies, German shepherds. These are just some breeds of dogs that instinctively love to herd things, animals, and even humans. Allow your dog to turn this instinctive behavior into a game with the Jolly Pets Push and Play. Yes, it may look like an ordinary plastic ball, but it's actually a heavy-duty toy designed to be nuzzled, pawed, and pushed around inside your home and outside in your yard. The plastic material makes it hard for your dog to pick it up with his teeth, so his only option is to push the ball around with his paws, or nose, or mouth. Just choose the best side for your dog's breed. For maximum benefits and more fun, buy more than one so your dog can herd all of the balls into a corner. Best of all, you can sneak in a few hours worth of work while your dog completes his herding work. We're halfway through. Are you liking this video? Please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Remember to hit the notification button for regular updates of our informative and exciting animal videos. Number 5. Outward Hound Hide-A-Squirrel. We start our second half with an interactive toy, just not as high-tech as the Wickedbone. You must have seen your dog with their snout on the ground, sniffing around, especially outdoors. But if you can't go out to your favorite park, the Hide-A-Squirrel from Outward Hound can turn the behavior into a game. The toy has several parts. There's a hollow plush tree trunk that has 3 holes in it. And then there are 3 stuffed squirrels with squeakers inside them that you put into the holes. The game starts when your dog roots into the holes to find the squirrels and pulls them from the tree trunk. Once removed from the trunk, your dog can then play with the stuffed toys, or you can put them back into the holes to start the game all over again. Just like the Zippy Paws toys, the stuffed squirrels are quite durable, but if your dog manages to tear them apart, you can always buy replacements. A side note though, this toy is perfect for small or medium dogs only. It may be too small for Great Danes and other extra large breeds. But if you have the right type of dog, expect this toy to provide hours of mental and physical stimulation. And this means hours of quiet time for you too. Number 4. Squishy Face Studio Flirt Pole. Here's a type of toy that's more commonly used for cats, but it can be used for any animal that loves to hunt prey. Squishy's Flirt Pole is specifically designed to turn a dog's love to chase anything that moves, including squirrels, birds, and humans, into a game and lots of exercise. Dangle the fleece lure to get your dog's attention, and keep it just out of your dog's reach so the dog can go on and on. Your dog won't be able to help herself. The twitching lure will drive her crazy, so she'll instinctively try to chomp on it. This is the only flirt pole that uses a bungee cord, so your dog won't have whiplash when she finally catches the lure. Speaking of the lure, this is made from polyester, so it's tough, and some lures have squeakers for added fun. It can be used outdoors and indoors. Just be careful of vases and appliances like the TV that you and your dog could crash into during a rough and tumble game. But just a few minutes of using this toy can give your dog a really great workout because she has to run, jump, and roll around to get the lure. And you can facilitate this game even at the comfort of your sofa. Let your dog do all the work. You can sip your wine while flicking your hand. Number 3. PAW5 Snuffle Mat. Everyone knows that a dog's sense of smell is 40 times greater than a human's sense of smell, and dogs can get a lot of information from just a snuffle of its nose. Here's another toy that taps into your dog's love for rooting and nosing into the ground and foraging for food. The PAW5 Snuffle Mat lets your dog use his nose both for play and mental stimulation. It may look like an ordinary woolly shag rug perfect for your living room, but it's more than that. It's specifically designed to hide treats and kibble among the fibers. The idea is that your dog will root around and deep into the fibers for the hidden treats. If your dog is a fast eater, this mat also doubles as a slow feeder. Since it offers low, intensive play, even senior dogs will find it fun. And since it's easy to clean, you can just put it in the washing machine for a quick wash and use it again for your dog's next meal or game. Number 2. Chuckit Ultra. When it comes to dogs, one game has been the game of choice for centuries: fetch. This usually involves either a stick, as we pointed out earlier, or a tennis ball, but companies have evolved even this ordinary game to the next level. Here's the Chuckit Ultra. It looks like an ordinary rubber tennis ball, but you'll see the difference once you throw it. Like its name suggests, this toy is ultra light, so you can throw it farther than normal tennis balls. It also bounces higher than normal balls. This guarantees more running time and higher leaping heights for your dog. If you want to be able to throw it even farther, you can get the Chuckit Ball Launcher. The ball is made from a rubber that's almost indestructible. Even powerful chewers like boxers can't chew it all at once, but some dogs love it so much that they might not want to give it back to you. Kinda defeats the purpose of fetch, but he'll be spending a few minutes playing with the ball by himself, so all's well that ends well. Number 1. Nylabone Textured Chew Ring. Nylabone is another popular US-based dog toy manufacturer that's been around for a long time now, since 1955 in fact. And just like Kong, it's focused on chewable products that act as toys, treats, and dental products. One of its best and highly recommended products is the Textured Chew Ring. It satisfies a dog's natural tendency to chew on things. And remember, a bored dog generally equals chewed up stuff, like a sofa. Nylabone's textured ring is easy to hold and oddly shaped so that your dog won't get bored while chewing it. And it comes in different flavors, so that's a great bonus for your pet too. Chewing promotes healthy teeth and gums, so that's another plus for this toy. It comes in different sizes, so there's one for the smallest pup to the biggest hounds. Get the size that's perfect for your dog's size, and let the chewing commence. There you have it, our top 10 best dog toys you can buy online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and to subscribe to our channel. And while you're here, you might want to check out our video on illegal and secret pets of NBA stars.